So I have the Samsung Galaxy S23, and in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to completely uninstall applications or how to remove apps from the phone. So there are two ways to do this. The first method is just finding the app icon either on the home screen or on the app screen. Find the icon of the app you want to uninstall. So let's say, for instance, I want to uninstall this game, okay? This Motor Rider Go. It's an app. So what you need to do is long press on that app until that little menu appears, and you should see the app icon bouncing up and down. And then you should see the uninstall option. Tap on that. And it's going to ask you to confirm, do you want to uninstall this app? So to confirm, tap OK, and that app is going to be uninstalled. It's as simple as that. Another way you can uninstall apps is to go to settings. On the main settings page, look for apps. Here it is. So tap on apps, and that's going to list for you all the apps installed on your phone. So what you need to do now is find the app you want to uninstall. Let's say, for instance, I want to uninstall, say, Google Docs, for instance. So what you need to do is tap on the app you want to uninstall, and on the app info page at the very bottom you should see the option to uninstall. So tap on that, and then it's going to ask you again, confirm by tapping OK, and that app is going to be uninstalled. And those are the two different ways of uninstalling apps from your Samsung Galaxy S23. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.